I got this self-tan.
There's a straw.
This dress is from Yes Style. I've been dying to know how I curl my hair. Show you really fast. Okay, hear me out. This top. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mackenzie and welcome. You should subscribe if you want to. Today we have an exciting video and I'm sure you guys will be excited to see it also because a lot of you guys want get ready with me's. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Today is one of my friend's 21st birthday again. I have pretty young friends if you think about it. Like I'm gonna be 23 this year and all my friends are turning 21. So I'm kind of the granny of the group, but so I am gonna do a get ready with me to go out and stuff. We are gonna get a Duffy boat again, like we did the other weekend or something, for my other friend's 21st birthday, but another Duffy boat situation, and then I think we're gonna go out to the bars or something like that, like out in Newport. So that's kind of the plan. I'm just gonna take you guys along, I think a little bit maybe to the Duffy boat. Then again, I don't really know how much I'm gonna be able to get footage because I'm not gonna bring my camera. I'll probably just bring my phone, or if anything I'll bring my little G7X. But the point of this video is to get ready with me. It is 11 a.m. I woke up at 8:30 to go take my friend's dogs to like a boarding place, stay there while they're out of town because Allie's graduating, so the whole family had to go so nobody can watch their dogs. That's what I did this morning, and then I ran to Ulta to get self-tan because I need to tan before I get ready and everything. I got the Tanologist. I'll show you. I got this self-tan, Tanologist Express Tan in dark, because I needed something that was a little bit faster. I would have gotten the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express, but they didn't have any of the ultra dark. They only had medium, so I was like, okay, that's not gonna do anything to my skin. So I was like, you know what? So this is, you can wash it off 1 to 4 hours after application. So I have to be somewhere at 5. So I need to start getting ready. Not getting ready, but I need to self-tan right now. I'm kind of nervous about this because it's clear, and normally the self-tans I use kind of have like a color guide, so it's easy to see like where it's going and like any spots that I'm missing. So I'm kind of nervous about this, but we'll see how it does. I mean, I've seen people like at the end have a really nice color, so hopefully it works out for me because this is also only like 16 bucks at Ulta, so rather than like 40 bucks for Loving Tan, this is a good alternative. So yeah, I'm excited. I also have the face drops that I'm also gonna do. I should have, I guess, done this last night, but I did not have time to. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and self-tan, get some loose clothing on, and let it dry for a little bit, and I'll probably edit some of my member channel videos. So that's the little plan for now, and I will see you guys and let you guys know how it goes afterwards. Okay, so I just finished tanning, and so far so good. I mean, let's hope that it doesn't look streaky or anything, or that I missed any spots. But right now I'm just gonna do a little editing, and I want to get this video up for my members this weekend. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I mean, other than that, I'm just like waiting around to get ready. I need to leave here probably like, I need to be there no later than 5:30. No, I need to be there like 5:15, 5 o'clock. So I need to leave here by 4:30. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys when it gets closer to doing hair and makeup and everything. I'll show you what I'm wearing. You guys have seen this dress in my last weekend, one of my last weekend vlogs for my other friend's 21st, but I never got any pictures in it or anything. So this dress is from Yes Style. It kind of has like ruching right there. It's super cute, super flattering on, and I think it'll keep me semi-warm for the boat. That's the dress I'm wearing. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair or anything, but I'll figure that out when it gets closer to the time. Okay, I'm back and I just don't feel like I'm really that dark. Like, It's been 3 hours. And it said 1 to 4 hours. And I just don't feel like tan. I don't know if it's just like my body or like what. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not going to wash it off and I'm just going to wait for it to like maybe develop further. I don't know. Like my stomach is still very pale. Like I don't know what's going on, but my face is tan. It's just like not my body. I don't know what's going on. But like I have, like you see that? Like that's tanned. I don't know. And I'm wearing a dress tonight, so I'm like maybe I should quickly put over some of my legs or something. I don't know, because then I hate feeling sticky and I don't want it to transfer and everything. Maybe this is just how maybe it'll develop a little bit more over time. My legs are gonna be pale white. Let me show you what I got in the mail. I got some shoes. I ordered some shoes off of Pretty Little Thing. I can't wait to show them to you. They're like strappy heels. They're square toe, which I love, and then they just strap up your ankle and stuff. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear them tonight. Maybe I will wear them tonight. Or I have little tortoise heels from Princess Polly. These, but I don't know if they're gonna be, I don't know. But we'll see. We'll see what looks best in the moment. But right now I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna do my makeup. Yeah, I'm gonna play music, so you guys are just gonna watch me do my makeup and stuff. I have a makeup tutorial already on my channel for you guys, for anyone wanting to know. I'll have it linked down below as well as on the screen somewhere. Yeah, I just hope this like develops a little bit more. I mean, I even did 2 layers of tan on my legs. Maybe I'll use this Bronze Shimmer Luminous. What is this? Let's try to put this on our legs and see what happens. On our legs? On my leg. Holy shit. That gives me color. Maybe I'll just do that. If it doesn't develop, I'll let that like dry while I'm doing my makeup. I really should have done all this last night, but you know what? It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. So I'm just gonna let that dry, I guess, and then I'll do my thighs, maybe when I'm doing my hair or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna do some makeup, and I will see you guys. Well, I'll talk to you guys. You guys will see this whole process, but I'm gonna wear this ugly white stained headband because I don't want to get my hair all gross, and I don't know where my makeup headband is, which is really unfortunate because I really love that. Oh my god, I look like back to my private school days. Hello! Let's get this show on the road, shall we? Okay, so I had to charge my camera a little bit because it was blinking at me. Always, when is it not, honestly? But I'm finishing curling my hair. For those of you who have been dying to know how I curl my hair, I feel like it's very basic and I feel like a lot of people curl their hair like this, but I'll show you really fast. So I do them in sections. And I'm only leaving them like not brushed out because we're going on a boat and I want them to keep curled as long as possible because I just know it's going to flatten out there. So what I do is I grab a medium-sized piece, probably like that. Mind you, I have thick hair. I run the curling iron through it just to warm it up. And then I curl always away from my face. And I feed it more hair, turn, let it go, feed it more hair, turn, unravel, turn, and then I straighten the bottoms, if that makes any sense. There are so many tutorials out there like how to curl your hair. I actually found it through Hair by Chrissy, this way to curl, because I used to wrap my hair around the barrel and it just never gave me the curl that I wanted. So I learned this method, and it's more like beachy waves. And like the more you do it, the more you'll like, the faster you'll be. But yeah, I just twist, unravel, feed more hair, and straighten the bottoms. If you guys want, I will link a video that I learned from Hair by Chrissy. You could just look up Hair by Chrissy beach waves tutorial and it will pop up. I like to get pretty close to the root because I feel like that gives me more volume. So I leave these pieces for last, but then I'm gonna go through and brush through them. You always want to brush through your curls, no matter how you curl them. So it gives you that kind of look, but I have to do the pieces right here. These ones I don't do tight at all. I kind of just leave it on for like a couple seconds. And then I just don't like when my front pieces are really curled. I don't know why. I feel like it is hard to style them sometimes. Then I kind of just finger through it. Like that. Now it's very like voluminous and pretty. I'm gonna put some hair oil. This is Kristen S. Working serum, and I just do like a pump, and then just finger through my curls, and this just gives it like an extra like boost of shine. And that's how you do it, folks. Cute. Okay, now it is 3 o'clock and time to figure it out. I'm gonna figure out an outfit. I don't know if I'm gonna wear that green dress or not, but give me a minute. Okay, hear me out. This top from Princess Polly, and it's very cropped, like literally underwire, and jeans and some kind of shoe, maybe a little heel or something, because I feel like if I wear the dress with the heel, it's gonna be way too dressy. Excuse my pants. I also have this orange top that's kind of like that, but I'm like, these are not like, these are very like fall vibes. I don't know, but I think the brown top is so cute. Okay, I'm trying to decide which shoe to wear because this is the outfit I'm going for. This just matches everybody's vibe, my vibe a little bit better, and it's better for like a boat, I guess. This top is Princess Polly. These jeans are Pretty Little Thing, I think. These shoes are also Pretty Little Thing, but they're the strappy ones I was talking to you guys about. But these jeans are really long, so I need height to like even out the jeans, and it kind of makes my legs look long. I was either thinking these or like maybe just white chunky sneakers. Leaning more towards these shoes because they're super comfortable. I asked my friends their opinions, so I'm waiting on their response, but I think I'm mostly gonna go for the strappy shoe. So I'm gonna put that on and then show you guys the completed outfit. Change of plans. I think I'm gonna go for the tortoise heel. I think it just looks better with the outfit and like the brown with the brown, you know? And they're like the same height too, so it really doesn't matter, I guess. But I think it looks better from the front at least. It